Hello everyone, welcome back to our quick vocabulary sessions. Today's category is ecology. Ecology is the study of relationships between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. Number 1, ecosystem. A community of living organisms interacting with their environment. Number 2, biodiversity. The variety of plant and animal life in a habitat. Number 3, biosphere, the regions of the surface, atmosphere, and hydrosphere of the Earth occupied by living organisms. Number 4, symbiosis, a mutually beneficial relationship between different people or groups. Number 5, sustainability, the ability to maintain ecological balance by avoiding depletion of natural resources. Number 6, deforestation, the clearing or thinning of forests by humans. Number 7, conservation, prevention of wasteful use of a resource. Number 8, habitat, the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Number 9, pollution, the introduction into the environment of a substance or thing that has harmful or poisonous effects. Number 10, reforestation, the process of replanting an area with trees. That's all for today. How many of these did you know? Comment your favorite word below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more vocabulary boosters. Take care.